Hey Glam Dolls, welcome back to our channel. I hope everyone is fabulous today. I'm super excited because this week is Valentine's Day, which is a great day just to celebrate love with your friends, family, or your boo thing. So if you don't have a boo, remember love comes in many shapes. You can celebrate. Like before I had Gabe, I celebrated with my kids. We'd get each other gifts, and well, I'd get them gifts because they were too little, and we'd do dinner, and they were my little dates. So even if you don't have a main thing or a boo or a bae, then celebrate with your girls or go out and do something fun. Don't let this season get you down. There is love everywhere in different shapes and forms. So I'm going to be doing a simple Valentine's Day look today, and obviously it's using pinks. I'm not somebody, if you can tell on my channel, I don't use a lot of pinks. Pinks are really not my color. I like black, and black. So if it's not one of those three colors, whether it's light black, deep dark black, or midnight black, I don't usually roll with it. So today we are going to incorporate some pink and get a little girly, which will be fun, and I'm excited. But before we get into that, remember we have the giveaway going on. I know I'm sounding like a broken record, but make sure you click the link down below and make sure you get entered into the giveaway because the winner will win a pair of Coach boots. They were $250 Coach boots. They didn't fit me in my calves, so I'm giving them away to you guys. They are a size 7, but remember they do fit size 8 as well. I am a size 8 and they fit me in the feet. They just didn't fit my fat calves. So, and they fit me with extra room. So if you are a size 8, they will fit you. If you are not either of those shoe sizes, still enter because you can give them away to somebody that is that size and they make a great gift. Or, like I said on my last video, resell them. If they don't fit you, resell them and get yourself something you like, because on eBay, I saw them selling on other sites for like 150 bucks, even higher. So, once they're yours to do as you please with. So still enter. Make sure that you get all your entries in because this is a great giveaway. It is something different, and I will be going back to makeup. I just thought this would be something a little bit different, and since it's still winter on the other side of the U.S., you guys will get some good use out of these boots because here it's been 75 degrees. We're literally running around in shorts right now, and having even quarter sleeves on right now is like hot. Absolutely hot. But it will be dropping back down to 60 this week and then picking back up to 75 again. So I live in California, if you didn't know. It's always sunny here. We have 2 seasons. It's summer and then 2 weeks of winter, and that's it. That's pretty much our seasons. We don't get spring or fall. I wish we did, but we don't. At least not where I live in California. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the video now. I'm just going to be doing a super simple, easy peasy, but glam look for Valentine's Day. Something so simple, anyone can create it. And, you know, just to get a little girly and get the pink vibes going. By the way, I got my first Jouer lip topper, and I'm wearing it alone. I'm not even wearing it with lipstick underneath. And how freaking gorgeous are these lip toppers? You see this? So gorgeous. I just got it in today, and it's the Jouer Rose Gold lip topper. Oh, I am dying. And you guys, I also got my first Jeffree Star highlighters today in the mail too. I have the lady that I was talking about that I buy all the high-end and limited edition stuff from. She's amazing, absolutely amazing. If you want, she created another auction group, and if you guys want that info, I'll put it in the description box down below. It's on Facebook. There's auctions and there's buy now. It's all high-end limited edition stuff. Well, not all high-end. They do have drugstore stuff there too at great prices. But I got the last season's the Summer Snow Cone highlighter by Jeffree Star and Crystal Ball, and holy crud, I did not realize how big these highlighters were, and at the price, I'm gonna start buying these. I wish I would have done it sooner, but here is Summer Snow Cone, and it looks really yellow, but it's not. It's very, very faint, and it is just so gorgeous. So you can't even really see it on there. I didn't swatch. I'm like trying not to hit the star. I don't want to ruin it, but there is Summer Snow Cone. See, it doesn't look as yellow as you would think. Sorry, my ring light is really messing with it. But yeah, it doesn't really look as yellow as one might think. It looks really yellow on the pan, but it's not. And then here is Crystal Ball. These things are hard to open. And it looks really, really white, but it's actually what I have on today. I love it. It reminds me so much of Glazed Donut by Ofra with Nikki Tutorials, and that is my favorite one, and I've already hit pan on it. So I'm really happy that I have this one to kind of take its place because it is so freaking gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I love these, and I'm going to go start buying all of Jeffree Star's freaking highlighters because they're amazing. Speaking of Jeffree Star's Valentines eyeshadow palette, and his whole Valentines little release just came out today. I'm filming the day before this goes up, and oh my god, I woke up at 10:30 this morning. It went on sale at 10 a.m. and again, Pacific Standard Time because we live in California, and it was sold out in 3 minutes. By the time I went on, it was sold out. So now they are doing pre-orders. They set it up to where you can pre-order the next shipment that's coming in 3 weeks. But the girl that I bought the highlighters from, she's a huge Jeffree Star fan. She bought 6 of these palettes, and I just wanted the eyeshadow palette. That's all I wanted. She bought 6 of them. 6. And she is letting me buy one from her. So I want to send a huge shout out to Miss Jacqueline Smith. You are thebomb.com. If you're watching, I know she watches sometimes. Thank you so much. You are the best in the whole world. And I'm also buying the full set of the Artist Couture highlighter. She's got this big vault set that I am buying from her of all the highlighters because y'all know how I feel about my highlighters. They're everything. I love glowing to the gods, and I'm buying the entire set from her this week, so I'm excited. She's amazing. She's got everything. She puts me to shame. She really does. She puts some of these YouTuber bloggers to shame. She needs her own channel. She really does. She's got everything. Everything. All that new. So anyway, I'm done rambling now. Let's go ahead and get into this video and create some girly princess pinky magic. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the Carly Bible palette, and first going in with this light brown shade as my transition, and just sweeping that right above the crease and blending this baby on out. So then I'm going to take this dusty lilac color and sweep that on the crease and slightly above the crease. Don't worry about it being too neat. We are going to blend out later, and we're going to take it slightly above and deepen it up just a little bit. Now I'm going to take the dark purple, and this is going to go right into the crease. And again, oh, and on the outer corner, but don't worry about it being too pretty because again, we're going to blend everything out and deepen everything up later. So just worry about slapping that baby on there, really. And then we'll go ahead and take the brush that had the transition color on right here, and we're going to blend everything, and you're just going to blend until it's all blended together. So now I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape and cut my crease with this lip brush from BH Cosmetics. This is my favorite brush to cut with because it's so small and gives me such precision when I'm creating my lines. So I'm just going to cut it and bring it all the way to the outer corner. I'm so excited to be using this palette again because I haven't used the Carly Bible palette since I first started my channel. So this is taking it back for me and getting some use out of old palettes. So now we're going to go in with the dark purple that we just used, and we're going to put it on the outer corner. This is just going to deepen up that outer corner a lot more. And then we're going to take this pretty pink color, and we're going to dust this right next to it and take it to the center of the eyelid. And now we're going to take the pink highlight shade and put that on the inner corner. And we're just going to marry all three of those colors together. And what I'm going to do is take the white highlight and sweep that across highlight my brow bone. And now I'm going to take the crystal ball highlighter, I forgot I even had this in my hand, and use that to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. And now we're going to work on the lower lash line. We're going to take that pink color and sweep that across most of the lash line. And then I'm going to take the dark purple and do that on the outer corners and sweep that up into the upper lid so it all blends together. Now I'm just going to take my black eyeliner by Japanesque and line the upper and lower lash line, and taking my Essence Super Skinny pen liner, I don't even know what this one's called anymore, but it was my favorite, and create my wing. This look calls for a super big thick wing just because it makes it a little more dramatic and a little more, just dramatic and gorgeous. So that's what I'm creating here. And this pen, again, is the only pen liner that I love. It's got a brush tip. So for mascara, I'm just using the Tardis Lash Paint, and coating both my top lashes and lower lashes to get them ready for my falsies. For lashes, I'm going to use the Ardell Faux Mink lashes with the Kiss lash glue, and these lashes I love because they create just the right amount of drama without being too overpowering. They still let your eye look show through. And for lipstick, I'm going to use MAC Angel. It is the most beautiful blush nude pink without being too pinky, because like I said, I'm not somebody who likes a lot of pink. And then I'm going to use the Jouer Rose Gold Lip Topper just to make my lips look a little more juicy. And this is the final look, you guys. I was really happy with how it came out. It was so wearable, and again, I'm not somebody who enjoys pink, so this was something I could actually wear out, and I feel like it would universally look good on everybody. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day. Remember, it's not about having a boo thing. You just want to celebrate with those you love. So I will see you guys next time. Again, don't forget to get entered into our giveaway. Have a great week, you guys.